was affected by the flood on that time. From here up to there and up to that place where we were earlier. Hi everyone! So where I am standing right now is the main part where the concrete wall was broken. And look at this part, this area. It's already been constructed, but this is the area where the water break out and flow over the whole city. Let's go to the place where it is most affected area from the unfinished and the broken bridge. And Ati is one of the affected netizens here, where her house was built over there, and then unfortunately it was damaged by the flood on that time. So kanang kung sa inyong mga na-experience atong time too nga may kalit raman pag baha,
Day, sige pagbalita, sige matugi balita na ang Bagyong Tino nagdadagbog sa tubig.
Oo.
So, nangandam daan. Kami, ako mga anak, tanan ninyo na. Ang uban, dagan ang buwan sa ako. Kaya mga tiguan naman yung mga ganan. Ang amo yun, diha, sugad, masugad, kadaghan na may nabian o mga baha.
Baha, pero wala.
Tura, duday. Baha, na na-over lang sa amon. Ala. Pero katuday, niabot sa second floor, kagadiri ang tubig sa second floor. So, ang upos na mo,
Wala dyan. Wash out na.
dili was out siya, ma'am. Napuno yun siya sa tubig. Daghan, mga butang na ano to. Okay ra, ma'am, kay why kinabuhi nga
Nga, nakalas.
last